Okay, what is your topic?
Dubai Chewy cookie.
Have you eaten Dubai Chewy cookies?
Yes.
How
Yes.
was it?
Twice.
How was it?
Hmm?
How does the taste it?
It was not good.
It was not good. Okay. Can I have your names?
I'm Joey.
I'm Olivia.
I'm Jack.
I'm Jason.
Okay, let's start.
The Jungkook introduction. The Jungkook is a kind of dessert made in Korea. The outside of the Jungkook is made of marshmallow, and there are crispy cut-ice and pistachio inside. The Jungkook is not a real traditional food in Dubai. The Jungkook is a version of reinterpreting the Dubai chocolate as the Korean style. Reason of the Jungkook's trend. The Jungkook is spread quickly by SNS because it has a good texture and visual. Korean idol bands and YouTubers mentioned about the Jungkook, so its popularity soared up quickly. Also, its name exotic visual gave people special feelings. The Jungkook makes us able to enjoy different textures in one bite. People who had experienced its texture and taste introduced other people, so that's why it is spread naturally.
Ingredients in the Jungkook. There are many ingredients in the Jungkook. It's cut-ice, pistachio spreader paste, butter, marshmallow, cocoa powder, and non-fat dry milk. Cut-ice is the noodles in Middle East, which is thinly cut dough. Grind pistachio is mixed with the paste. To make the paste, you can put white chocolate, condensed milk, and salt into the mixture in the bowl. You can use pistachio spread instead of it. Expensive than other dessert and one-day sales. There are many ingredients in the Jungkook, and the cost of these ingredients are expensive. Sales a day is about 30 to 50 pesos in regular cafes. Medium cafes have normally 100 to 200 sales. Dessert shops have 500 to 1000 sales.
How to make it? First, paste with pistachio and cut-ice. Chopped cut-ice after melting butter in a pan and fry it with big fire until it turns gold. If it turned gold, mix pistachio spread and melted white chocolate in a bowl. After that, make the paste round into the bite-sized pieces and harden them in the fridge for about an hour. Second, marshmallow dough. Add melted butter and the marshmallow into the coated pan with big fire and melt it with stirring. If the marshmallow melted well and turn off the fire and add the non-fat dry milk and cocoa powder into melted marshmallow. Stir it until it becomes a lump and the dough is completed. And cool down this dough a bit on an oil coated tray or some Teflon sheet. If it goes too cold, it is hard. Third, combine and finish. Coat some oil on your hands and scrapers. Divide the dough into pieces that weighs about 13 to 15 grams and spread them. And cover the paste and shape them circles and coat it with cocoa powder. The calories of Dubai Chewy cookie is about 250 calories per 50 grams. It must be able to have a lot of calories because it is a sweet cookie which had too much sugar.
When I ate the Jungkook at first, it got bitter. The outside of the Jungkook is chewy like a rice cake, but it tasted salty, sweet, and crispy, and I felt like a rice cake and snack. It tasted pistachio, so it was nutty, but the junko is so expensive that I would never buy and eat it.
When I first saw carrot and pistachio, I was amazed. I was curious of the taste of the junko before eating it. The price is too expensive for these sizes. When I eat the junko, the texture of the food is interesting. I thought the junko is good because it is sweet and nutty.
I think junko is so expensive, but I think it is delicious. It is funny that the shell of the junko is chewy and the paste is crispy, because many kinds of snacks are contrary to the taste of the junko, and I have known that the junko contains many calories.
The jonku tasted sweet and the paste was crispy. Many people think the jonku is very delicious, but it was not that delicious. I didn't like the flavor of the paste in the jonku. While chewing it, I felt good at first, but after that, it was not good. I don't think that it is worth to get hard.
Everybody, line up, line up. Attention. Bow.